Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel on the review video of Ticket to Success. Ticket to Success is a training-based platform that takes users from scratch to full-time affiliate earning fast. This app was produced by Philip Dhan and Dhan Khan. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details and also giving you a full demo of how this works truly. But then do not forget to click on the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button down below. And as usual guys, I shall be adding 5 of my awesome bonuses today, so stick with me whilst we dive right in. So guys, let me take you quickly to the sales page to see what these guys are saying about Ticket to Success. So this is the sales page. So they are saying today that the secret conversion system, okay, I'll read actually. It says, from struggling for a single sale to top earning super affiliates, thanks to the secret conversion system that makes them 5 times higher affiliate commissions than hard-working marketers with years more experience. So these are some of their students and what they are saying about this platform. So I'll read. Robin Palmer says that it should be illegal. This is a very high in-depth course on how to really generate an income online as a complete newbie. They are literally spilling the beans on this one. Hopefully they will increase the price soon because it should be illegal to sell this at such a low price. And this is also a comment from Amy. She says, my sales went through the roof. Ticket to Success. My conversions massively increased and my sales went through the roof in less than a week with very little effort. I no longer need to invest in expensive ads. Philip and Dan have really over-delivered with their new conversion system. So these are some of the users of this app, and then screenshots of what they have made so far using this training platform. Okay guys, let's see what some of the features of this platform. So the first one says great list. It was great commission. So it says your shortcut to getting them even without an existing audience. So tools, you have access to tools of the trade, your dream niche, the free buyer traffic engine. Why less equals more means outsourcing for faster results, and then mass traffic hack. And also you have says just say no to pay that, and you get the other feature, which is the secret 5 times conversion multiplier. And then this one is the mind game mastery. Okay guys, I have shown you some of the features. Let me quickly take you guys to, these are the guys that actually put this training together. This is Philip and this is Dan. I'll take you guys quickly to the bonuses that they have added, and after that I will dive right into my own awesome bonuses guys. So with just the front end, if you're buying the front end, you have access to 11 awesome bonuses today guys. So this is the first bonus that they have added. So basically the first one is worth $997. So you have this, it says is the secret conversion protocol that eliminates competition. The second bonus is unlimited traffic secrets, and then the third bonus is the products profits masterclass. The fourth one is mass buyer magic, and then the fifth one is breakthrough bonus mastery. The sixth, which is the proven step-by-step blueprint, is also worth $497. So a total value of this bonuses that they have added today is worth $5,720. But today, if you're grabbing through my link, you're going to have access to all these bonuses for free, plus 5 of mine also that I shall be adding. So let me take you guys quickly to my own 5 awesome bonuses. So these are my bonuses. Don't forget to have access to all these bonuses. All you need to do is to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page, and if you signed in through Warrior Plus, you see something like this. Just go down there where you see the blue button right there where it says access affiliate bonus, click on it and my bonuses shall automatically be added. If it's through JVZoo that you signed in, click on where the red arrow, the box where the red arrow is, and then my bonuses shall be added. And then about my bonuses, the first one that I added today is a hack, so you have access to insurgency. The second one is also a hack. You have access to 24K followers in 24 hours. So this hack basically shows you how you can generate followers in less than 24 hours. And then the third one is also a hack. So you get high quality traffic sources to use, two high quality traffic sources to use. And the fourth one is access to Invincible, is also a hack. And then the fifth one, guys, is access to all vendor bonuses. And the last one is worth $497. So, guys, if this sounds like something you like, or you know somebody that this platform will be of help to, do not forget to click the share button, guys. Also, leave a comment if you have any, and click the bell icon for notification. And then now I have shown you the bonuses. Let's quickly look at the prices and the upsell. So the front end, which is just $37. With $37, you have access to the software and the training models, and also you have access to all those 11 awesome bonuses that I've mentioned. And then the upsell one, which is 20 times Success Accelerator, is worth $67. So this is basically a done for you setup for your system. The second upsell is Authority Mastery, which is 800% income blaster, and it's worth $97. So this shows you step-by-step method that they follow to increase their revenues by 800%. And then the upsell 3, which is the traffic mastery, is $97. You get all-in-one solution delivers all the traffic anyone could ever need. Then the fourth upsell, which is the Warrior Allegiance, is $997. So Warrior Allegiance is their exclusive coaching platform, including live weekly calls for an entire year. So guys, I have shown you the prices, I've shown you the upsells, I've shown you my bonuses, I've shown you the sales page. Let me quickly show you guys how the members area look like once you purchase this app. If you log in, this is what you will see. So you have all these options on the left hand side. So you have access to the setup for success, success series mastery, success series automation, YouTube mastery, outsourcing, upload and outrun competition. After uploading, and you explode subscribers quickly, and then you share your wins, and also you have the support system down there. So in a nutshell, let's take a listen to what one of the developers of this platform has to say. And guys, meet Philip. Let's take a listen.
Just in front of you. I'm not just saying that to say it. I am saying that because it is. Okay, this is not some done for you where we send solo ads and then you make money within 12 minutes. No, we are teaching you real marketing. We are teaching you skills that will benefit you for a lifetime. Okay, we are not shooting for how to make $20 in one day and then 2 months later you make $20 again. No, we are teaching you how to build a real business online. Okay, real business with real money. But again, it comes down to how much action you take for the system in order for it to work. So guys, again, my name is Philip Dhan Khan and I wanted to be the first one to welcome you. I will be teaching you some in the beginning and then at the end, and Dhan Khan will also teach you something. It's important that you go through each and every training video, and under each video there will be a button where there will be a Google document. So it says exactly what you need to be doing in under each video. So there is no confusion, nothing at all. We are gonna go in depth on the computer where we share our screen, how to set everything up. We are gonna teach you some basic marketing skills on a whiteboard, and we're gonna go in depth how to capture your dream customer in any niche. If you don't know what niche you want to be in, doesn't matter. We're gonna teach you what needs to go after. So guys, I'm super excited to teach you all of these crazy things in here. What allowed to change me and Dan's life and be the top 5% affiliates quicker.
Okay, guys, you've listened to what Philip has to say about this platform, and I believe we've had a lot or we are loaded with the information today with regards to this platform. If this sounds like something you like, guys, do not forget to click on the link that is in the description box below, because it takes you to my page, and from my page you have access to a total of 11 bonuses added today. Remember, the clock is ticking. Once that clock runs out, I'm not sure that my 5 bonuses shall be added, but I am guaranteeing that if you buy within that the time frame before the clock runs out, my bonuses shall be automatically added, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for loving my videos. And also, I will see you in the upcoming videos. You stay safe, guys. Bye.